All right, welcome back, guys. We got a box of goodies from RMS Lighting. These are the 4x6 15,000 lumen Gen 2 H4 conversion kit. So let's get it open and get started. All right, we got the box open. We got a couple pigtails, headlights, housings, and new bulbs. So those should be way brighter than these sealed beam units here. Got some instructions. Let's get to work. All right, so basically you got this plastic sleeve that comes off of there, and that's what locks it into place, and you can adjust the beam on the headlight a little bit that way. But you'll pop this metal piece out, put this in there, and then put that rubber boot on, and then stick this through all of that, and you end up with that, with the fan sticking out and everything. And this just plugs in to what the same plug that went into your old headlight. And just zip tie this out of the way so it's not banging around in there, and should be good to go. These are gonna look really good. I can't wait to turn them on and see how much brighter they are. Let's get back to work. Here's the difference in color. You can see it's pretty drastic. Can't wait to see what it looks like with all four in there. Let's get the rest of them in. All right, there's all four installed. Man, these things are bright. Let's pull this outside and see how good it looks in the dark. All right, well, you can definitely tell the difference. Look at how much brighter they are. Looks much better. Super happy with that. Look at the brights. Let's go take it out on the road and see what it looks like now. Holy smokes, let me tell you what, these are way brighter than they were before. Let's hit them with the brights. Holy smokes. I can see everything. Yeah, these new lights are great. All right. That's about it. I'm going to wrap this one up. You can tell it's literally a night and day difference with these lights. They look really good. I'm super happy with them. And the car's running great. Car's looking great. It's going to be a good summer. So stay tuned. I'm going to have more coming up. Thanks for watching.